Welcome to Coffee Break Express, a quick word from God. My name is Michael Moret. Colossians 2:16, let no man therefore judge you in meat or in drink or in respect of a holy day or of a new moon or of the Sabbath days. In the Old Testament, God had laws concerning what his people could and could not eat. He also commanded them to have special holy days and special Sabbath days. Some false teachers in Colossae were saying that, well, it's good to be a Christian, but those Old Testament laws still have to be followed. And Paul said no, because none of those things can contribute to our salvation, because Jesus has already done it all. The Sabbaths, the holy days, the dietary laws are past. Seventh-day Adventist, listen up.